Alright, my lovers. Right. It seems that wiring the control panel while you've been under the influence is really not a good idea. Having said that, I was sober when I drew the wiring diagram. Following an American wiring diagram where they use black and white and we use red and blue. So I got the live and neutrals round the wrong way. So live actually goes to number 1 on the PID and neutral goes to number 2 on the PID. So that's been changed, and then while I've set it up and trying to test it all, I found that the SSR is faulty, so I've got power going to the SSR, but it's not coming out, so I've got nothing at the sockets. So I've ordered a new one, and from a different supplier, and asked for me money back from the first supplier. So so not quite where I wanted to be on this weekend, but at least I know what the problem is, and there should be a new one arriving by Wednesday at the latest. So then it'll all be sorted, I hope, ready for the brew next weekend, which is the bank holiday weekend. So yeah, quick amendment on the wiring. So live to number 1 and neutral to number 2. Alright, cheers. So just to quickly show you, this is the live coming straight in now from the rotary switch there, and then the other live goes to number 2 on the SSR, and then 1 from the SSR goes, it would go straight to the socket. So because I've got 2 sockets, I've put it to that bank, and then those 2 other live wires are going to the sockets. The neutral goes to that neutral bank there, and the other 2 neutral wires go to the sockets, and the other neutral is directly from the rotary switch. So that's how it should be wired up. So sorry if there's been any confusion about the wiring of the PID and the SSR and the incoming and outgoing and blah blah blah, but it's hopefully I've explained that now the correct way that it should be done. So thanks for watching, sorry for the confusion, and I'm going back to the kegerator. It's non-stop here. Cheers.